You focus on the gender health gap. Tell us about what the gender health gap is.
It's the systemic disparities in how women and men experience healthcare. Right now, women and men are not receiving the same level of both access to, but also quality of healthcare. And there's a myriad of reasons for that. Women were not part of clinical trials, so that means that we have a very adverse effect to medicine compared to men. I think one of the most kind of glaring examples is, for your American listeners, you have Ambien, which is a quite kind of common drug in the US. And it was 20 years after it was released, the FDA had to go out and decrease the dosage recommendations for women because it had such adverse effects. Only been in market for 20 years it took to realize that the same dosage that we were saying didn't work because we had actually not tested it. And it is statistically proven that women have more adverse effects to drugs than men. But then there's the other half of kind of the opportunity loss that we won't know. We won't know which drugs maybe would have worked for women, but they weren't tested. They were tested on men, didn't work, and then the clinical trial was thrown out. You backtrack now and reinvestigate it and realize, but this actually worked for women that you dismissed as a failed trial.